Today I am replacing my disc brakes on the Creel. At the moment I've got the K03S disc pads in there, and I'm upgrading them to the K05S. These are the 5th generation pads. Apparently they're less noisy with better modulation. You got a new resin friction material, and apparently they're 50% better wear than the K03S, so let's give them a go. Right guys, first of all we'll remove the wheel. Here's the disc pads in there. So first of all we need to remove the retaining pin. I'll just pull that one out. Put that somewhere safe. And then we need to get a 3mm Allen key just to remove the retaining bolt. Yeah, I did upgrade my retaining bolts because I found the slotted ones, they do corrode, especially if you ride through the winter with the salt. So got a nice stainless steel one. Oh, one fell out. Yeah, they've worn quite a lot. We'll give all this caliper a good clean in a minute, but first of all I want to push these pistons back in there. Yeah, so these pistons in here, we're going to put new pads in. It's simple to do. Just get an old tire lever or something. Nothing that's going to damage the pistons. If you can see that, guys, that one's gone back. Don't use a screwdriver or anything because you can damage these. The last thing you want to do, if you do find them difficult in going back, if they keep springing forward, you may just have to undo the reservoir. Now guys, I'm going to give it a good clean. Good clean and degrease. I always find this stuff here is pretty good, pretty safe. Obviously in a minute I'll give the disc a good clean with it. It's a good opportunity anyway. I do keep on top of mine, so mine's not too dirty, to be fair. Yeah, so nice and clean now. But that's that cleaned up, the caliper cleaned up, and now just reinstall it. Simple as that. So take your new pads. Don't touch. Try not to touch the resin with your fingers, guys. These are the Shimano KO5S, the RX version. So yeah, it's I'm going to be interested to see if they do actually last longer, better braking, and obviously quieter. The quieter part interests me. Let me just show you how much these are worn. These are the old ones, obviously, compared to the new one. So I've got the new pads now, guys, with the spring. So all you do is just slide that back. Oh, got my glove caught, sorry guys. Slide that back in, replace the retaining bolt, pop the retaining clip, turn that towards us, back on. It's all I'm going to do now, guys, is pop the wheel back on. I do recommend anybody that's obviously got disc brakes is to get yourself a disc brake pad alignment spacer. Just one of these things here. They're really good. These are what, £3 or £4, nice and cheap. Get them off eBay or wherever. That's your hand though, so you just hold that and see that there, guys. Oh, sorry. See that there, guys? You just put that over the disc, and I'll show you what to do. Just get your little space there, slip it over the disc like that, yeah, then run it back in between the brake pads, yeah, so it's in there now. Pads will line up automatically. There you go. Pump that brake a little bit. You've got to get that piston out again, and just remove this one. And that wheel should spin nice and freely without adjusting the caliper. There you go, guys. And I'll pull the brakes for you. Nice. Anyway guys, that's it. That's the first brake pads done on the front brakes. I'm going to just now do the same thing on the back brakes. I do highly recommend you getting one of these here. Just chuck it in your saddlebag, because if you're ever on a ride or anything, you just need your brakes realigning. These things are just brilliant. Anyway guys, that's it from me on that one. Nice successful first time brake alignment. Right, I hope that helped you in any way, my little demonstration of how I replace my disc pads. Remember, sometimes you may have to alter the levels in the brake fluid levels, but in this case I didn't have to. So that's it from me for today. I hope you enjoyed that. If you did, if it helped you in any way, please give us a like and consider subscribing for more my little tips of how I do my things. Until next time guys, be safe. See you on the next one. Bye for now. Bye bye. Bye.